Hey guys, today we'll be doing a freeze test on a flip phone. Now this flip phone, it's called a Casio GZ1 Ravine and it's made by Verizon. And today we are going to do a test where we put it in water and then we'll be putting it in the freezer. Make sure you like and subscribe and let's do this. So, alright, putting it in the water. And then now let's put it in the freezer. Alright, it's in the freezer now. I'll be back the next day or at nighttime and we'll see if the phone still works. Now, I did take the battery out of it because I didn't want it to get ruined, just in case. So, see you guys at nighttime today or in the morning. Alrighty, it's nighttime now. Let's see what this flip phone looks like. Okay, here's a problem. It's not falling out. Ah, shoot. Oh, made a little pop. Might have to warm this up a little bit. It's not wanting to come out. Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. Well, got some of it out. Ah, come on. I need the flip phone. Ah, come on. Oh, there it goes. Alright, wait, let's see if it makes a satisfying ice noise when I open it. Okay, the hinge is hard to open. Let's go get the battery and see if it still works. Right, the moment of truth. Does this thing work? I got the battery with me. Let's take the back cover off and let's put the battery in here. Will it still turn on? Oh, the screen is really glitched out. Oh, this screen right here is fine. Alright, it still makes noise. Oh, it's just this part of the screen is really glitched out. But this screen right here still works. You know what? I'm going to let this dry overnight to see if it still works. I'm back. Now, the disappointing thing is I let it dry overnight and I set it by my fireplace, but turns out the screen's still glitched. But the closed screen still works all right. So, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, please. And I'll actually destroy this phone soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it when I destroy this phone. Alright, peace.